Hello everyone, Blacklet 8001 here, and I'm going to show you how I remove crappy old fire alarms that I made eventually at some point. This is how I do it. I got my broomstick here, and well, I'm going to properly remove it. The only thing I need to do here is I want to move my on-air sign so it doesn't get hit. I don't know where to put it. Hold on. Okay. There we go. Put that up there for now. Okay. Now we're ready to remove this crappy homemade fire alarm thing. That worked. Oh, this came off on the front panel. I don't know if I can break that anymore. Hold on. Might be able to. On here. Perfect. Yep, broomstick went right through that. I'm not satisfied though. No, I'm not. It's not smashed enough. It's still in one piece, sort of. There we go. Okay. Great thing about smashing stuff with a broom is you can clean it up at the same time. That's my dog in the background. Ugh. Switch does not want to come off the wall. Quiet! Cut myself with that sharp plastic. Oh yeah. There we go. Alright, now I gotta sweep it all up. Let's take a look at the floor here. Stuff everywhere, just how I like it.